Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Hypervisor Detected. Yeah, Hypervisor is already running and AutoLoadHV on PC. In this video, seeing before you are begin, subscribe to support my YouTube channel. In this error, it is usually happening in the PC. We can fix by using these three steps. Let's look at that first step. Command promote. So we need Windows search bar and type cmd. Right click on the command promote and choose the run as administrator. Then inside command promote and type command provided in this video description. Then copy to paste. Then hit the enter. The operation completed successfully. Then exit. Just hit the enter. Then go to the next step. Disable Hyper-V and virtual machine platform. So we need Windows search bar and search turn Windows feature on or off application. Just click on it and go to inside. Then scroll down. Find Hyper-V or virtual machine platform. If it's selected, just click to unselect or uncheck. To uncheck it, then hit the OK to save it, then come to back. Then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click to restart your system. Once it will restart, then recheck the game and play it. If this try to it does not working, it is still running problem, then go to the next step, enable the core isolation. So we need Windows security. So click to open, then you can click on the virus and threat protection. Then scroll down, you can click on the manage settings. If this real time protection is turned on, simply turn on off. Once it off, then come to back. Then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click to restart your system. After that, your problem solved. I think it will be have solved. If you have any doubt, go to the comment section, leave the comment. I will definitely reply to you. And don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.